Blend Smart will revolutionize your beauty routine. Our interchangeable brush heads spin at 190 RPMs to deliver a natural airbrush finish every time. It basically does the blending for you. Today, Alicia is blending smart with the universal foundation head that is included in your starter set. It's perfect for your favorite creams or foundations, and you can even use it to blend primer and sunscreen. We all want a natural, not heavy finish, but with so much buildable coverage, it's hard to blend. Finally, there is an easy tool that just gently glides and slides across your skin, eliminating embarrassing lines or streaks. All our Blend Smart brush heads are made from premium synthetic fibers, are antimicrobial, and are soft enough for the most sensitive skin. It almost feels like a mini skin massage. Remember to clean your heads once a week with any mild soap or brush cleaner. It's nearly effortless. It's like having a makeup artist in your own hand. Now that's smart. Happy blending!